Good morning, day 2. And the first clue for Stephen West Mystery Knit Along came out. Changed my mind about 10 times now about the color placements. I'm just gonna have to sit and play with it and look at the video. Now, the video that he's put out is 3 hours long. 3 hours. Should I be scared? Should I be worried about this? 3 hours. What do you think? Hello, Bob.
Hello, Bob.
Yeah,
what do I think about what?
Ignore that big tin of shortbread there. We don't need to worry about that big tin of shortbread, do we, Bob? No.
Yeah, well, we do, yeah.
No, we don't. Anyway, he has no clue about the Stephen West shawl. I mean, yeah. So I'm just making myself some bacon and egg to give myself some sustenance, because I might need that, before I sit down and tackle watching some of the 3-hour video. Because I also have to pack to get ready for my retreat and go to the retreat. So yeah, it's gonna be a busy old morning. Talk to you soon. Oh, look what my Bob's doing for me.
Got my name on the product.
Oh yeah. I am making these little things.
No. We.
To take to my retreat. And they have, when they open, oh, I can't open it now. Can you open one for me? No, open it up. I want to see it open.
Just want to show you how it works.
And then this is like a bed to put your strands of floss on when you're using a color, but you're having to separate your strands, and you put it on there. I still have to put on my little needle thing that goes up here to hold your needles.
And everybody knows what a thing is, eh?
Yes, everybody knows what a thing is. They've watched me long enough to know what things are. So
37 years and I still don't know what a thing is.
Oh, be quiet. So I can't do that whole punchy thing with that because it hurts my hand. So he's doing it for me with much love. Thank you. Hello, Bob.
Hello, Bob.
Okay, so I've made a very small start. Yeah, I've had to do it twice. Suddenly forgot how to do an I-cord bind on or cast on, whatever you call it. Suddenly forgot how to do that. My needles are so slippy, which I love normally, but of course, because I'm trying to keep up with what he's doing on the TV, they all kept slipping off, so I was getting mad. So I had to pause the TV. And now I know what I'm doing. So I'm here. Doesn't really tell you much, does it? But I've got to get this video uploaded because I got to go soon. I have packed. So these are all my projects that I'm taking. 2, 4, 6. And of course, this is coming too. So, yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. I'll show you all around the retreat tomorrow. Ooh. Okay, bye.